people. Those of y'all who know me know that I love attending all these online workshops and just generally all these webinars and all. So I've come across this page on Instagram. It's called Health Karma Studio, and yesterday I attended this 1 hour session on how to basically increase your energy levels, and most of us, yeah, we really need to no we really need to kind of up our quotient, energy quotient. Like it happens that once you are in your 30s and all, but no, this particular yesterday I attended this session by Mrs. Jas Grewal. This very sweet lady from Delhi, I guess, and it was such a nice it was like an eye-opening experience. Yeah, the fact that energy is actually not so much about what we, of course, yeah, what we eat and all, yes, but it's also about there are some people who are like in life, when you have these never-ending phone conversations, or people who are very negative and they make you feel bad about yourself. So those people are like energy vampires, and so that's what it was, this 1 hour session, but it was so healing and it is so reasonable. It's like I've not seen in the recent past at least, and otherwise also I've not seen any, actually there are two of them conducting it, Miss Shalini, who's she's a young yoga teacher, and and Mrs. Jas Grewal. So it's like, my god. So I think it's just, I think that's what you all could health karma studio, you can find the page on Instagram, or you all can message me on Instagram and I'll forward you all there, because certain things more people should know about it. So thank you, ma'am. I mean, in case once they watch this video, hopefully, and it will, you know it's the need of the hour, a course like this. So Health Karma Studio it is, and you can find it on on Instagram. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.